G'day guys, I'm going to take you through the dust and chip extraction tool, which we call the twister nut. It's great for MDF milling, pulls all the dust right out of the cut and assists with your dust extraction to go straight into it. So today I'm going to show you how to put it together with your regular chuck, your collet, obviously the twister nut, and because we'll be milling MDF, we'll be using a 2-wing compression cutter. So I'll show you how to put it together now. So you just take your normal nut off, pop the collet into the twister nut as you would a regular nut. Start by going in on that angle, and when you've got the spot, just put your palm of your hand into it until you hear a nice click. That's how you know it's in there. Start screwing it on a little bit, and then get your compression cutter and stick it in. Now this part is a little bit tricky because as you tighten up, you want to make sure that the length of the cutter, how much is hanging out, is just the right amount, because you want to be sitting about 3 mil above the board that you're milling. So today we'll be using 18 mil board, which means that we need to have the cutter sticking out 21 millimeters. So as you start to feel it tighten, just get your ruler and run it alongside the cutter. Get that 21 mil. And then nip it up. Nice and firm. And there you have it, your twister nut tool. That's ready to go.